Hello, my name is Oluko Kuntolu Lokwe. I'm participating in the Africa vs. Virus Challenge because I'm interested in providing solutions to the COVID-19 pandemic in Africa. Together with 7 members, Evaristos, Nation, Evelyn, Josiah, Jinx, Moyolua, and Abdulaziz, we have formed the mini mechanical ventilator team at the Africa vs. Virus Challenge. We are developing a low-cost mini mechanical ventilator with the vital controls and feedback system to combat COVID-19 in Africa. With the shortage of ventilators around the world and the need to urgently produce a low-cost ventilators, many innovators around the world, including myself, have made effort to automate bag valve mask, also known as ambu bag. The system seems to be deficient in critical controls that are vital to the safety of a patient, which may result to barotrauma for patients. Our solution is the production of a low-cost mini mechanical ventilator with all the vital controls and feedback systems. The ventilator is designed to integrate with a mobile phone using an app that makes it ready for remote operations and telemedicine while still keeping the cost very low. We are able to keep the cost low because most of the components required already exist in many personal home medical kits like Omron for checking BP and so on. This will be very critical to saving the lives of COVID-19 victims, and also beyond the COVID-19, it will be useful for resuscitation purposes and first responders. It will be useful for every ambulances and clinics. Thank you very much.